Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna make some yummy peanut punch. We got the magic bullet, the jiffy peanut butter, almond milk, some unsalted roasted peanuts. Yes, look at them. So I already cut them up and I was having such a hard time, so you already know. And some nutmeg, let's not forget that. And last but not least, we got some raw oats, and that's the whole stuff. So now we're about to add it into the mixing cup. Slowly just put these peanuts in here. Let's just put it in one by one. And this is really good, really healthy, has a lot of protein. If you guys like that, I don't know what you like, but if you do, because since I've been on this vegan journey, I have been missing a lot of my West Indian things, but this is one of my favorites, all-time favorites. So I had a little bit of that shell left in there. I had to take that out. But after a while, I just started dropping all of them in there. It's very, I don't know what's the word, a little annoying trying to get these nuts in here one by one. But anyway, I got them in. So let's see. And then I had the ice cubes here, but you're going to see that after. So me and this jiffy peanut butter, I tried to get that out of there, guys, but as you see, I don't know. That peanut butter just was not having it. That almond milk, this almond milk is so good. They have coconut flavor if you like also. I would definitely recommend it. So here's the nutmeg. Let's not forget that. Dab, dab, dab. And then let's get the spoon. I didn't have it out yet. So we're going to have like 2 spoons. I got one big heavy one. And I'm like, I think I need another one. What do you think? Yeah. So I was moving the camera around a lot. Sorry. Sorry, guys. So here's the ice cubes I was telling you about. Ice cube time. Just in case you like it a little slushy, I do. But I don't like it watery. So I don't blend this, like blend for my life. I don't. But I'm just blending it up here. I'm just going to blend it, speed it up, back it up, back up the camera so you can see the ingredients. If I wasn't vegan, I would have had the sweet condensed milk, like that cow brand. I don't know what the name is, but it's like a smiley cow, but it tastes so good. But now this almond milk, I'm gonna try. I have to wash this out because I forgot if I washed it, so I'm just gonna wash it just in case. And I'm gonna try that coconut flavor of that Califia Farms yummy almond milk. So now it's all finished. Oh my gosh. So now I'm trying to hold the camera under my chin. So yeah, multitask. Ladies, we love to multitask. But yes, woo, that looks so good. I'm about to tear this up. So this is my breakfast. This is what I have for breakfast almost every day. So I'm definitely not losing weight. Okay? So for all the people that say you lose weight, as a vegan, you don't. So thanks for watching, guys. Thumbs up this video and see you next time. Bye, guys.